Hey you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a chip bag request that I got. It was for it's a passport theme for a bridal shower. I was not given any specific colors, so I'm just gonna try it with pink and see how that goes. I already have my images over here that I got off of Google. Remember, Google is your best friend. You can get any and everything from Google. So I guess let's go ahead and get started. Let me do the background first. I seen this image here and I thought this would be good to use. Uh, just for the background. It's just different places and stamps and things like that. So let me see if I can maybe shrink it down to where I get more, just more of it on the back, I guess. Okay, so let me expand it just a tad bit more. Right there, about right there is good for me. I'm going to copy that and paste it, and this time I'm going to use the other side because I want the other side to show through on this end. Push back, and because I am going to go with the colors pink, I'm just going to go ahead and I think I'm going to just make these all one color. So I'm going to go to format, recolor. Let's see if this takes go down to more colors. Let's do a darker pink. Alright, and that changed the color, so I'm gonna do the other one. Make sure you clicked on it, go to format, recolor, more variations, and go ahead and click on that. That looks great to me. And I also googled leather textures, and cause that passport has like that that leather feel to it, so you gotta have that. Without that, it's not a passport. So let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, and that is now the front. So I had many different ideas with this. I wasn't sure on what I was gonna do, but let me see if I can bring that forward. Let me see if I can take this background out, say it's transparent color. Okay, it came out perfect. You could leave it at that. But I wanted to, I guess, change mine and make mine set for a certain destination, a certain place. So I'm going to do this a little bit bigger, but mine is going to be Paris or France. So let's see if I can go ahead and take this background out. Came out perfect, great, love it. Only thing is, let's change this to black. That looks more of a gray. Can I get a black? There we go. I'm gonna do it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's a lot bigger. That's okay. Now let's go ahead and insert some, let's insert a border. Shoot. Now let's fill this in with black. Let me take the outline off. Perfect. Copy. Paste. Bring this forward. I'm sorry, y'all. It's like a little slither of like edge that's just irking me. Okay, I got it. I got it, you guys. I'm gonna bring this down some, and I'm gonna insert what, wedding passport? Okay, they're gonna be on 2 different lines. So trying to see a good font, I guess. Ooh, Jesus. Okay, we'll go with this. Okay, we'll go with this. It don't matter. Oh no, move the wrong image. Let's go back. Now let's change this to black. Now you do not need fancy font. You can use you know, just regular font for this and it will still look right. Oh, Jesus, I did the wrong thing. I meant to copy it. Let's copy that and paste it down here. Now let's go ahead and change the word. All right, there we go. Let's move that down some. Okay, so that is what it's looking like for the front. Not bad. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could also put, like, you know, France down here and make it a little bit fancy. Now what the heck would we put on the back? You guys, this is the inspiration right here. Loved it, went with it. Now let's go back. All right, because I have no idea what the heck you would even put on this thing. So, you know, I done married, it's supposed to be for a bridesmaid. But y'all, I have no idea what you put on this. Oh, a wedding invitation. That would be cute too. You give them out as wedding invitations. Hmm. I am not sure what you would put on these. They said for a bridal shower, so would you put each person's name on it? Hmm. That is a question. 3. Let me see. Let's take out wedding. Just put bridal shower invitations and see how that come up. Okay. Please join us for Vivian's. Okay, bam. Got it. Jesus, that was whew. Okay. Please join us. I'll have this in regular font. Let's make up a name for Nancy. Nancy's bridal shower. Shoot, I don't know. Dates. God, make up something. 5/10/2018. Date, time. What? 4/2. I don't know. I can't even make up a fake time. 2 p.m. Alright, let's see. Oh man, I should have probably changed the goddamn color. Not the color, but the font. I'm sorry. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna change the font. Use the same font that I have. Alright, there we go. And I know some of you have asked me how to get rid of these, the black lines. Now, what you can do is if you already have your chip bag saved, then you do not have to worry about just going on ahead and taking it out by just erasing it or deleting it. You can do it that way. Or if you don't feel comfortable with deleting your lines, that is totally fine. Another way to do it is to just go ahead and create a rectangle. And of course, fill that rectangle in white and push that mug back as far as you can behind everything. But not behind the lines. You want it to cover your lines. Is that it? Or I pushed it back too far. Wait, no. Send back. Oh, it's an outline. Format, no outline. Okay, so that's pretty much how another option you could do to pretty much get rid of your lines but still keep your template there. All you would need to do is, just go in and delete it, and you can very easily change these colors. Like this is a pink leather texture, but you can also go to recolor. Shoot, I don't know. If you wanted it a teal option or teal and pink, let's change this now to a light pink. It's very easy to just simply go in and play with colors and change colors. Even if you don't have that color in the image to begin with, you can still change the color of your image by simply just going to click on the image, go to format, recolor, and change the color to whatever you want. So don't think you're just stuck with, like, for example, this brown leather looking thing. That can also be changed the same way. Go to recolor. Heck, let's go green. Ew, it's ugly, but you can change it, shoot. Okay, that is my passport theme. What bridal shop, y'all? I don't know, this was a new one for me. I was like, what the heck do I do? What is this supposed to look like? Y'all, I had never done it. I appreciate this request. It was very different, unique. So I do thank you. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.